Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discussing about loops in C. What is the definition of loops? In any programming language, loops are used to execute a set of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. The loops in C language are used to execute a block of code or a part of the program several times. In other words, it iterates a code or group of code many times. Why use loops in C language? Suppose that you have to print table of 2, then you need to write 10 lines of code. By using the loop statement, you can do it by 2 or 3 lines code. What is the advantages of loops in C? It saves code. It helps to traverse the elements of arrays. How it works? Here is the flowchart for loops. Here test condition. If the condition is true, then it goes to execute loop. If the loop is executed, again it goes to the loop entry. If the condition is false, it comes out of the loop. A sequence of steps are executed until a specified condition is true. The sequence of statements to be executed is kept inside the curly braces known as loop body. After every execution of loop body, condition is verified, and if it is found to be true, the loop body is executed again. When the condition check returns false, the loop body is not executed. Types of loops in C. There are 3 types of loops in C language. That is one while loop, second one is for loop, and third one is do while loop. First one is while loop. While loop can be addressed as an entry control loop. It is completed in 3 steps. First one is variable initialization. Second one is condition. Third one is variable increment or decrement. The 3 steps followed in while loop. This is the flowchart for while loop. Here is the condition. If the condition is true, it goes to true block, that is statement. Again, it goes to the condition statements. If the condition is false, then it comes out of the loop. This is the example for while loop, that is programmed to print first and natural numbers, that is 1 to 10 numbers. First, I can take x value as 1. X is equal to 1. While x less than or equal to 10, 1 less than or equal to 10, condition true, then I can print the x value, that means 1. After printing x is x plus plus, that is x plus 1. Now the x value is 2. Again goes to condition statement. 2 less than or equal to 10, condition true. Then it goes to printf statement. What is the x value now? 2. You can print the value of x, that means 2. Again, x will be incremented by 1, that means 3. 3 less than or equal to 10, condition true. Then it prints x value means 3. After printing the x value, x plus plus means x will be incremented by 1, that means now x value is 4. 4 less than or equal to 10, condition true. Then print the x value 4. Then x value is 5. 5 less than or equal to 10, condition true. Then print 5 value. After repeating the so many steps, that means until x value is 10, 10 less than or equal to 10, condition true, then it goes to x value, print x value, that means 10. Again, x will be incremented by 1, that means now the x value is 11. 11 less than or equal to 10, condition true, then it comes out of the loop. So the output is 1 to 10. This is the example for while loop. Next, infinitive while loop in C. If you pass 1 as an expression in while loop, it will run infinite number of times. This is the example for while loop, infinite while loop. While of 1. While of 1 means true. So it runs infinite number of times. Next, for loop. For loop is used to execute a set of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. We can say it as an open-ended loop. What is the syntax for loop? For of initialization, condition, increment or decrement. In that first for loop, we have statement block. This is the syntax for loop. Next, in for loop, we have exactly 2 semicolons, one after initialization and second after condition. In this loop, we can have more than one initialization or increment or decrement separated using comma operator. For loop can have only one condition. The for loop is executed as follows. It first evaluates the initialization code, then it checks the condition expression. If it is true, it executes the for loop body. Then it evaluates the increment or decrement condition and again follows from step 2. When the condition expression becomes false, it exits the loop. Next, this is the flowchart for loop. Here is the initialization. Here condition. If the condition is true, then it goes to statement. Again, it increment or decrement statement. If again it goes to the condition statement. If it is false, it comes out of the loop. Here is the example for loop. Program to print first and natural numbers. I can take x value as 1. Here initialization x is equal to 1 means initialization. X less than or equal to 10 means condition. X plus plus means increment. This is the syntax for loop. Here what is the initial value of x? X is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 10 condition true. Then it goes to printf statement. What is the x value now? 1. It can print again go to the for loop. X plus plus means after printing the value, it increments by 1. So now the x value is 2. 2 less than or equal to 10 condition true. It goes to the x. So now what is the value of x? 2. It prints the value. Again, it incremented by 1. 2 plus 1, 3. The loop repeat until x value is 11. If the x value is 11 less than or equal to 10, condition false, it comes out of the loop. So it prints 1 to 10 values. This is the example for loop. Nested for loop. We can also have nested for loops. That is one for loop inside another for loop. This is the syntax for nested for loops. For initialization, condition, increment or decrement. In that for loop, we are having another for loop for initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Then statement. This is the syntax for nested for loop. Infinite for loop in C. If you don't initialize any variable, check condition and increment or decrement variable in for loop, it is known as infinite for loop. In other words, if you place 2 semicolons in for loop, it is known as infinite for loop. Here is the syntax for infinite for loop. For loop, 2 semicolons within the condition printf infinite for loops example by Java point. If you run this program, you will see above statement infinite times. This is the example for infinite loop. Next, do while loop. In some situations, it is necessary to execute body of the loop before testing the execute condition. Such situations can be handled with the help of do while loop. Do statement evaluates the body of the loop first and then at the end. The condition is checked using while statement. It means that for at least one time the body of the loop will be executed even though the starting condition inside while is initialized to false. Here is the syntax for do while. Do within the braces statements. Here while of condition. So at least one statement is executed and then check the condition. This is the syntax for do while loop. Here is the syntax flowchart for do while loop. Here do statements. After at least one statement is printed, then it goes to condition block. If it is true, then it goes to again statement block. Otherwise, it goes to the false block. This is the flowchart for do while loop. This is the example for do while loop. Program to print first 10 multiples of 5. Here I can take a is equal to 5, I is equal to 1. Do printf percentage d comma a into I. That means 5 into 1, 5. First it print the value and then incremented by 1. Now the I value as 2. While I less than or equal to 10, 1 less than or equal to 10, condition true. Again it goes to the do statement. After some repetition of steps, that means up to 10 value, it prints. Then I will be incremented by 11, 11 less than or equal to 10, condition false, then it comes out of the loop. So it prints 5 multiplication of 5 up to 10. That means 5 into 10 is equal to 50. This is the example for do while loop. Infinite do while loop. If you pass on as an expression in do while loop, it will run infinite number of times. Here do of statement while of 1. While of 1 means while of 1 condition true, then it iterates finite number of steps. Thank you very much.